lifeline to make sure that they're good and safe-ish. They know how to do this, so it isn't their first rodeo, so this will be smooth and nice. And like I've already said, I hate taking down trees with a passion. However, long story short, these guys live only like 20 years, and they actually have tons of brown on them, big time. And they're about 17 years, no, I moved here in 2002 and the house had just been built, and these guys had just been put in maybe a year before, because they were about the height of that fence when I moved in. And so that's like their lifeline is pretty much already close to over. But also another thing was when they cut down one here that was laying on our fence, that's where it started. And it ended up being, when you cut it down, we saw ugly brown roaches inside it and did some research, and apparently that is not uncommon. Roaches live all up in there, and we get a decent amount of them. And I don't mean it ugly, but I have to make sure that our house is protected, and if these end up falling down on the house, because it's not very far from our house, if you want to look, that's our house, that's the tree line, you can see that real quick. And if they fall, when they die, they will hit the house, because it is right there. And we didn't want that. But also we super don't want roaches, especially when we saw them cut down that one that's gone, because it was leaning up on a fence, which was replaced last year. We didn't want to have to do it again. It's expensive. And we are working folks, but we are not rich. So we have to take care of ourselves too. That's it. Leyland, over and out.